What we eat has a direct impact on our physical and mental health, and there's no doubt about it, food and stress are linked. It's not just when you're stressed, you might eat too much or too little or reach for the wrong foods. However, often the very few things we choose to gulp down, such as chips, fries, or coffee, are only providing us short-term relief and may increase anxiety and depression in the long run. Research has shown that increases in stress and cortisol have been linked to an increased risk of developing obesity, metabolic syndromes, cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, depression, and other disorders of the brain. While knowing what to eat is important, knowing what not to eat is equally important. So, if you want to reduce stress levels and decrease your risk of diseases, learning how to naturally relieve stress can help, as can avoiding the following foods. Five food items that cause stress. Sugar. According to studies, foods that are high in added sugar are the worst for your body. They are high in calories, low in nutrition, and cause inflammation. In addition to this, due to its effect on the gut, it may lead to increased anxiety and stress. Chronic stress leads to sugar cravings and sets the body in a loop of more stress. By eliminating foods with added sugars like pastries, flavored yogurt, and soda, and eating more whole foods, you'll keep your blood sugar stable, which means fewer mood swings, reduced stress, and a happier body. Fried and fast foods. Did you know that fried foods can cause stress? Your body has to work harder to digest fatty foods like pizza, ready-to-eat meals, chips, snack bars, and pastries. Also, since fried foods are cooked with fats at extremely high temperatures, they are likely to contain so-called trans fats, which are associated with an increased risk of diseases such as heart diseases, diabetes, obesity, and even cancer. Refined carbohydrates. When you eat refined carbs, your blood sugar level rises rapidly as sugar gets digested and absorbed very quickly. As a response, the body produces a bunch of insulin to help lower the blood glucose level, therefore causing a quick drop in the blood glucose level. This up and down in blood sugar is very stressful for the body. It can also increase blood pressure, making you feel bloated and generally unwell, which can certainly increase your stress levels. Artificial sweeteners. Sugar in itself is bad enough for your body, but all too often, food products aren't even sweetened with the real thing. Instead, they are packed with artificial sweeteners. These artificial sweeteners can lead to health problems like headaches, metabolic diseases, and cardiovascular diseases as well. But what's worse, they can also result in an addiction to sugary foods by retraining your taste buds, causing you to seek out even more sweet and largely unhealthy foods. Processed food. We tend to eat processed food products to feel better and get a spike in energy levels. However, let me tell you, this adds to the problem as the body produces more cortisol hormones to balance off the spike in blood sugar levels. They are also high in sodium. And aside from making you extra thirsty, that extra sodium causes your body to retain more fluid, which then forces your heart to work even harder to keep the blood pumping. As with everything, it's the dosage that makes the poison. It's always about being aware of what you're feeding your body. For more helpful content like this, keep watching this space.